Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today, we're finally working on the gaming setup right here in the corner. It's kind of been long delayed, sorry about that. But finally, we're gonna be fixing this up because I've gotten so many comments, like almost every single time I feature this setup in any video. People are like, your cable management sucks, dude. What the hell is wrong with you? Fix this. Yeah, there's been so many comments saying that. So, we gonna fix it, because this by no means is okay. Like there's a power strip on the floor, there's cables all over the walls. This ain't good. And this was so much worse when we had the Razer Black Widow Elite keyboard there, because that keyboard adds a whole lot more wires. And the one we're using now, in case you haven't watched my previous video, it is the Logitech G915 wireless RGB keyboard. I know, it's crazy, but it's wireless and it has RGB. It's freaking beautiful, man. So that's the keyboard we currently using in the setup. It's wireless, saves a bit of cable management work for us. But as you can see, the problem really isn't on top of the desk, it's below the desk. That's where all the wires are, and this has to be fixed. So over here, as you can see, we have some products, or just like one product and like a few of them. So these are called plastic like J-channel cable organizer thingies. They're pretty sick. So we got 1, we got 2, 3, and then 4. Total of 4 of these for the 2-meter IKEA Linmon desk. I was gonna go ahead and try and fit the 5th one on the desk as well, but there's no need for a 5th one. 4 will be enough. They'll cover like pretty much, you know, the entire desk. So we should be all good, hopefully. Yeah. Apart from that, guys, I think we should unplug everything, shut the PC down, do all that stuff, and ooh, still going. Okay, now it's off. All right, it's all shut down. Let's go beneath here. This is where everything's powered up. Turn everything off. That's the power strip. That's probably the PC. There we go. All on the floor, all unplugged. Now we just have to sort all of this out, because this is terrible, man. This is goddamn terrible. So these bad boys right here, let me show you, oh my god, exactly what the hell we're gonna be doing. Right, so these red pieces here, it's like red on one side, white on the other side. These, I hope, are double-sided pieces of tape, because these came with the plastic J channels. If these aren't double-sided pieces of tape, I'm gonna be a little bit upset, but I believe they should be. So, there we go. Now we just have to stick this, oh Lord, don't stick onto me. Oh hell no. Boom! There's 1 done. 3 more to go. There's another 1 done.
He just told me there's bumps on the wheels and everything.
Oh my Lord, it's so zoomed in. This is not okay. Also, the lighting situation here is not okay either. All right, okay. We've assembled everything. Here they are, all of our 4 wonderful J channels for cable management. You may be wondering, where the hell are you going to be putting all these J channels, Em? Right here beneath the table. Yeah, it's literally that simple. We're just going to, you know, stick them beneath the table there, put all the cables inside here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, without further ado, let's freaking get started, man. We can rip off this red, the red protective film for the adhesive, and then hopefully not mess this up. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Right. Okay, there's 1 done. 2 done. We all done, man. Look at that. All the J channels are installed. So good. Now, you may be like, all right, what are you gonna do now, Em? Well, we're gonna take these cables and we're gonna put them inside the J channel. It's like pretty simple. Boom, there's 1. It's a bit of a tight one. I think we need a longer Ethernet cable for this one, actually. Whew. I need a new Ethernet cable. This one's too short. We'll leave that one last then. Okay, we got, I believe, the power cable for the PC, I think. You know. There we go. It's another cable done. All right, as you can see, things are looking a whole lot better already. Like, a whole lot better. All the cables are gone, man. This is beautiful. Right, I'm gonna get myself a new Ethernet cable that's longer, because this one This one just ain't doing it. So this cable, yeah, it is. Yeah. Pretty sure I've got some spare Ethernet cables. We are currently in the bathroom of the office. You may be like, what the heck are you doing in the bathroom, man? Just getting an Ethernet cable. I mean, I don't know where you guys keep your Ethernet cables, but mine are here in the bathroom. Okay, we need probably 7.5 meters. Yeah, we have 10 here, 7.5 here. I think 7.5 should do us just fine. Ethernet cable acquired from like my hardware storage area in the bathroom. I know it's a bit weird that I keep Ethernet cables and many other cables in the bathroom, but that's just where they are for now. This is like a fresh cable, dude. We have to unwrap all of it and all. One thing I need to do as well is get myself a network switch. So I'm gonna probably get a Netgear one because I think they have an RGB like network switch, and I need that in my life. We have a lot of devices here, and I do really like the Orbi system, the Orbi like Wi-Fi mesh system around this apartment. It's genuinely freaking amazing, man, and I do really want to keep Orbi in this apartment. Like, it's so damn good. So instead of connecting a router to my Orbi, I'm just going to connect a switch to the Orbi because that would just make life a whole lot easier, a whole lot simpler. Anyway, we got this wonderful Ethernet cable here. Let's plug this into the back of the PC and then into the back of my router for now, until we get a switch. Boom, Ethernet cable is in. Let's make sure we cable manage all of it very nicely. This is actually working. Well, that looks so much better, man. Jesus. Right, so we have a bit of like excess cable left over. So what I'm doing is kind of routing all the excess cable into the J channels, just kind of hide it away. Holy crap, this actually looks amazing. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but this is clean as hell, man. And we're gonna make it ever so slightly better. All right, we've got a whole load of Velcro cable ties here, a few white ones, a few black ones. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these black ones to tie up the two cables beneath there. Just like that, looking good. And then over on this side of the desk, we have the Ethernet cable that kind of comes out of this J channel right here, and it kind of pops out here. So what we're gonna do is grab a few white Velcro cable ties, and I've done this many times before. Do I need two? Actually, no, one will be enough for this. Damn, all right, perfect. So we're gonna tie a few Velcro cable ties, the white ones, to this white table leg, and essentially just run the Ethernet cable straight down this leg. I've gone ahead and wrapped up the old Ethernet cable that was in the setup, but it was a little bit too short, so we got a slightly longer one in the setup now, and it's pretty much perfect, which is great. So we're gonna put this guy back into storage. We'll walk through the actual storage room into the bathroom where all the cables are kept. And we should probably also, you know, in the meantime, get rid of this power strip by placing it into our box of power strips. All right, let's take a look at like the final result over here. This, I'm sure you can remember, looked freaking awful. There was cables everywhere, power strip on the floor. It was terrible. But now, there's still a few cables here and there, you know, but this is like way better. Like, this is borderline flawless. I can improve this whole section by simply sticking the power strip to the bottom of the desk, but I think I'll do that for another video sometime in the future, because for now we only need like 2 sockets to power everything. So it's kind of enough, and it's just, you know, a quick, simple way to, you know, keep everything off the floor and make sure the setup actually looks good in terms of cable management. Like, finally, it's not looking terrible. So let's flip the power on. Will this PC still boot up? Oh, there we go. It's all good, man. I hope. Hopefully everything is still, you know, working as expected, as it did earlier. MSI, all right. Things are looking good. We have a brand new wallpaper as well from MSI. Now, there is still a little bit of a mess behind the monitor, but we'll probably fix that another time. But for now, the main problem was down here. And I'm sure we can all agree that the cable management beneath the desk has finally been resolved. It's no longer looking terrible. These J channels, by the way, the J channel cable organizer thingies that I've stuck beneath the desk, link in description to those. Not sponsored or anything, I did buy them myself quite a long time ago. If you're wondering how long, probably a year, and just never ended up putting them beneath my desk until now. They're great. They're really good. Like, this was the simplest cable management job I've ever done in my life. And the result is like a 10 out of 10. They're so simple to use, you just stuff the cables inside of there. This is beautiful. In the next video though, we're gonna step things up a little bit. It's gonna be cool. We're gonna be adding a little bit more RGB to the setup. So stay tuned for that. It goes live tomorrow. Until then though, thanks for watching. Until then, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.